So lots of news for the markets to digest as it was bombarded with unfortunate and dismal news from all ends. How did it react? Well, it did pierce some crucial levels on the downside, backed by very strong volume activity. The Sensex ended lower by 285 points. The Nifty was below 5750 by the day's close, although both the benchmark indices did recover from the low point of the day. The broader markets too didn't see as strong a recovery, and they ended close to the lowest point of the day, so off by 1.5%. All of your sectoral indices were in the red. Realty saw carnage, capital goods, metals, PSU, so no sector was spared. Big losers included BHEL, Bharti Airtel on the back of that dismal news, DLF as well as Reliance Infrastructure. You had all of the SR counters like SR Shipping, SR Oil, all of those were also in the limelight on the downside on the back of Shyamlal Ghosh, Aseem Ghosh as well as Ravi Ruya being summoned in the Spectrum case. Apart from that, SAIL was in the limelight on the downside as Newswire sources indicated that the advisors are suggesting 60 rupees as the floor price for the divestment. On the back of that news, the counter ended lower in the session. Sun TV and SpiceJet, both of those counters were heavily hit. In fact, Sun TV ended below some of its crucial daily moving averages on the count of sentiment turning bearish after the DMK pulled out of the UPA government. Infrastructure stocks from the mid-cap space, the likes of an IVR, CL Infra, IRB, NCC, Unitech, so real estate and infra as a pocket was very weak today. You had a Manappuram Finance which was smashed in the session. In fact, it hit lower circuit. The management said that they expect a 250 crore under recovery during the current quarter and a loss of close to 50 crores in the current quarter, and the full year profit for FY13 at 300 crores. Taking down with the Manappuram Finance was also a Muthoot Finance, which ended sharply lower in the session. Gammon Infra, that one saw a little bit of a winning streak as it is in talks with its lenders to restructure debt. Some of the gainers included GAIL, Bajaj Auto and Ranbaxy as well as Lupin.